You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate it. How the Grinch Stole Hershey Kisses. Now, I did a version of this earlier in the series. It was the Christmas tree shaped box. This was kind of next to it on the shelf. It's a much larger Hershey Kiss. We'll compare it to those other ones. And it's just one. I would say the box is 2.5 inches. Let's see. I've been using this ruler. It is, well, if we go this way, it'll be easier to see. Yeah, it's almost exactly 2.5 inches. And it's a nice green box, just like the other one. And there's windows on 3 sides where you could see in. And it looks like the Grinch is in there on a larger wrapped Hershey Kiss. Now, why am I making a video for this? Well, I don't know. I saw it. I thought it was interesting. I thought, well, you would be interested in it. We'll find out. And he is poking through on the side. You can see his head cut off right where the big Hershey Kiss window is. I didn't mention that. The windows on the sides are in the shape of a Hershey. Oh boy. Hershey Kiss. I don't know what's going on today. Let's get it out of the box. And then I'll go grab the other ones. And we will compare the size. Ooh, look at that. So yes, it's shorter than the box. So it's about a 2-inch tall Hershey Kiss. All right, I've got the other ones off to the side. Let me grab those. All right, and here is a standard Hershey Kiss. So what would you say? 5 or 6 times the size? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about the base. And then 1 in the middle, 2 in the middle, 5, and 6. Okay, I'm going to say it's bigger than that. It's about 8 times the size. The net weight, I didn't see. The net weight of this Kiss is 1.45 ounces. Solid milk chocolate. But before I started the video, I said to myself, boy, it would be really neat if they filled these with something. Maybe maple syrup in honor of Elf and chocolate. But what would the Grinch want inside? All right, so the tag coming out says Grinchmas, I believe. Let me grab it. Yeah, it says Grinchmas, and it's much longer than most Hershey Kiss tabs. Look at that. And it's proportionate, I guess, to the size, but it's pretty long. Did you see that? See, that's really small compared to the one that's on the big one. And here we go. We're going to peel. Would you like to see it peel or hear it peel? Here's hearing it. And here's seeing it. Look at the size of that. And a nice sheet of foil. A big sheet of foil. Look at that. Let's put one right next to it. Of the opened of the small Kiss. Now the tip on this one is really pointy. This one's more rounded. So it's a different looking Kiss. Would you agree? All right. I've had these so many times. My temptation is not to eat it, but then my temptation is to eat it. I'm not sure what my temptation is saying. What would you do? Let's eat it. Yeah, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to try things. So I will take a bite of this giant Kiss. It's not giant because they make ones that are huge, but there's my teeth. I tried to explain in the Hershey video for the other Kisses what the chocolate tastes like for Hershey's chocolate. If someone can give me a precise taste profile, I would really appreciate it. It's a good chocolate in regards to American chocolates. I've had chocolates from all over the world. It's sweet. You get chocolate flavor. It's not like a dark chocolate, which is kind of dry. And if it's not sweet, it doesn't have that sweetness to it. More of a flat taste to it. I'm almost done with this anyway. I really wasn't going to eat the chocolate. But It's too late now. I'm all in. There's a lot of chewing in your ear. I do apologize. But you are watching a candy video. So what's left but to eat it. Now there is no evidence but a box and a foil. And the long Grinchmas streamer. Alright, well, if you want to see this video, it's early in the series. Go check that out. I got them together because they were matched. I probably should have just done them in one video, but that's how life is. Didn't think about it. I thought about it, but then I said, two different products, two different packaging. Let's show them both. Give them their own video. So if someone's looking for the Grinch Stole Hershey Kisses medium size, they can watch it. All right, I need to take a break. Thanks for watching. If you can, look in the description, look in the comment section. Click on the link to the playlist and catch up on all the other Christmas videos I have done. And as always, thanks for watching. Later. I was cleaning up and said, you know what? I really didn't show this side. So this side is the green outside of the kiss. And it's got the Grinch and then a little ornament that says Grinch. Repeating. So it's Grinch, ornament, Grinch, ornament, Grinch, ornament. And from the other direction, it's the same thing. It's a pattern, almost like wrapping paper. And then there's candy canes in there as well. So some of the rows have candy canes. They don't go this way. Yes, this one, so it alternates. So the first row is candy cane, Grinch, candy cane, Grinch, candy cane, Grinch, candy cane, Grinch. The second row is Grinch, ornament, Grinch, ornament, and then it kind of repeats that all the way from top to bottom. All right, I thought it was worthy to show you. That's what it looks like. And again, thanks for watching. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.